Let's talk about fasting. Not as a challenge of willpower, and not as a competition of how long you can go without food, but as a journey your body takes through very specific stages, each with its own purpose, its own benefits, and its own lessons. When you understand these stages, fasting stops feeling like guesswork and starts feeling like a process you can work with, not fight against. Most people only see fasting as eating and not eating. But inside your body, there is a whole sequence of changes happening. Hormones shift, energy sources change, repair systems turn on. And each stage brings a different result. Let's walk through the phases of fasting in a way that helps you recognize them in your own body. The fed state, 0-4 hours after eating. This is when your body is still running on the food you just ate. Blood sugar is elevated, insulin is active, and nutrients are being distributed to your muscles, liver, and cells. This stage is about storage and immediate use. You feel satisfied, warm, and fueled. Nothing dramatic is happening yet, but this is where the foundation is laid. The quality of your last meal determines how smoothly you will move into the next stage. Next phase is the post-absorptive state, between 4 to 12 hours. Now your body finishes digesting and begins to switch from incoming fuel to stored fuel. Insulin levels start to fall, and your body begins using glycogen, which is stored glucose in the liver and muscles. This is when many people begin their first fasting window overnight. You may feel normal, slightly hungry, or mentally clear. This stage teaches your body flexibility. It learns that it does not need constant eating to function. This takes the body to the early fasting state, which occurs within 12 to 24 hours. This is where intermittent fasting truly begins. Glycogen stores drop, and your body gradually turns to fat for energy. Growth hormone increases, protecting muscle and supporting fat breakdown. Insulin is low and stable. Inflammation starts to reduce. Many people feel lighter, more focused, and more alert here. Hunger waves may come and go, but they do not last forever. This stage trains metabolic efficiency and mental discipline. Now the body shifts more deeply into fat metabolism, usually referred to as the fat burning and ketone state, and this happens between 24 to 48 hours. Here, ketones rise, becoming a powerful fuel for the brain. Mental clarity often improves. Inflammation drops further. Insulin remains very low. Autophagy, the cellular recycling process, becomes more active. This is where the body begins deeper cleaning and repair. This phase is not for beginners, but it shows the body's remarkable ability to heal when given time without constant digestion. As these progresses, the body switches to the autophagy and cellular renewal state within the period of 48 to 72 hours. This stage is about deep internal maintenance. Old or damaged cells are broken down and recycled. Immune system regeneration may begin. Inflammation continues to fall. The body becomes extremely efficient with energy. This stage is powerful, but requires preparation, guidance, and respect for hydration and electrolytes. It is not about endurance. It is about restoration. Moving on. This then takes the body to the hormonal reset and adaptation state, which is usually beyond 72 hours. At this level, the body is fully adapted to fasting metabolism. Insulin is very low. Growth hormone is elevated. Fat burning is dominant. Cellular repair processes are strong. This stage is therapeutic, not casual. It is often used under supervision for metabolic reset, insulin sensitivity, and deep healing. It teaches the ultimate lesson of fasting, and that is the fact that the body is capable of surviving, adapting, and restoring itself when given space and proper care. Here is the most important thing to understand. You do not need to reach the deepest stages to benefit. Each stage already offers something valuable. The 12 to 16-hour stage improves insulin sensitivity and discipline. The 16 to 24-hour stage improves fat burning and mental clarity. The longer stages deepen repair and metabolic flexibility. Intermittent fasting is not about how long you can go. It is about how well your body responds. It is about choosing the stage that supports your health, your lifestyle, your training, your stress level, and your recovery. When you know these stages and how each of them creates different responses to the body, you stop blindly copying routines. You begin listening. You begin choosing. You begin fasting intentionally with understanding instead of pressure, because intermittent fasting is not punishment. It is a biological rhythm, a conversation between your body and time. And when you understand the language of each stage, you can use intermittent fasting as a tool for energy, clarity, healing, and self-mastery. Like this video if it was impactful and taught you something new. Subscribe for more guided lessons on fasting, health, and discipline. Just a mantra that always resonates with me every time and keeps me fired up, and that is one thing: health is wealth.